With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Water contained in a jar at room temperature 20 degrees Celsius is intended to cool by method 1 or method 2 given below. Method 1, by placing the ice cube and allowing it to float. So if you see here, when we place the ice cube and allow it to float, right, so what will happen? If you see, we know that the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. At 4 degrees Celsius, if I say here, this is the density rho and this is the temperature T, so it will be maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. So if you see here, this, now at 4 degrees Celsius the density is maximum. So in the first method it is said that we place the ice cube and allow it to float. So when its density will be maximum at 4 degrees Celsius, how that will float, right? We know that for floating, what is the necessary condition? The rho object should be less than rho liquid. But if you see at 4 degrees Celsius, if you see the rho of this water will be more, and this water will try to go in the downward direction, right? So what will happen, the density of the water will be highest at this temperature and it will try to go in downward direction, and in that way the convection current will rises, right, which we don't want, right? If you see here, if I say here the density is more and here the density is less, right, rho 1 is more than rho 2, then what will happen? This rho 1 will try to go downward, which we don't want. So method 1 for this to this temperature 20 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, yes, so for this range it is okay. For this range you can go for method 1, but after that, if the density will at even at 4 degrees Celsius the density will rises and it will become a difficulty. All right, now moving toward the method 2, by wrapping the ice cube in a wire mesh and allow it to sink. So if you see, if I wrap the ice cube in a wire mesh, then that will become heavy, right? Wrapping the ice cube with a wire mesh, what it will do? Make it heavy and allow it to sink. So if you see, if I talk about this method, right, so it will be sinked below, right? It will be sinked below the water, right? We are saying that these are the ice cube and we want it to be sinked here, right? So up to what limit this could be a method for the cooling? If you see, what we want, intention is to cool it, right? So process should be cooling, the temperature should be decreasing, right? So if you see, at 4 degrees Celsius we have seen that the density is maximum, right? So what could be done? At 4 degrees Celsius the density is already maximum and we wrapped that with a wire also. So if you see, if you further decrease the temperature, right, because of the heaviness of the water, because of the heaviness of the wire, it will not come up. So for this range the method 2 is okay, and for this range the method 1 is okay, right? So if you see, this is 0 degrees Celsius and this is, if you see here, this is 20 degrees Celsius. So from here to here, method 1, because we can't allow we can't make a heavy liquid to float on the surface at which is at 4 degrees Celsius. The water will have from here to here. It is method 2. In method 2 we are already keeping a heavy liquid below the at the bottom, right? So method 2 is suitable for this range. So this is also correct. So A and D are the correct one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.